Hello there. We are going to be doing reverse 3 beats, or backwards 3 beats, today. And backwards 3 beats tend to be just as hard as your forwards 3 beats because of the fact that you're doing it in a non-dominant direction usually. Or you might find that your reverse is easy to do and your forwards is really hard to do. It will depend on which is dominant to you. So for the reverse, first let's go ahead and clarify. Reverse is when you're going to hit yourself in the face, so it's coming up to your face. We're going to do it the same way we did our forwards. We're going to start in crosser. So we're going to do our crosser backwards, or reverse, whichever way you want to call it. And whichever arm is on top is going to go around and underneath the other arm. And when you do this, you're doing this as the arm, as the poi, crosses this here. So once it crosses that bottom, you're going to want to perform the move. And when you're doing it, you're making the same X shape we made before in the forwards, but we're doing it as we come up instead of as we come down. So you're going up and under as opposed to going down and up. So take your top one and you want to go up, over, and underneath. Whichever one is on top. So now my left one is on the top. So I'm going to go up, over, underneath. Up, over, and underneath. Up, over, and underneath. Up, over, and underneath. And keep that timing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you were watching it, and I guess in 3D, you would see it also as crossing the bottom over here and crossing the top over here. Bottom over here, top over here. You're doing this correctly. Now, as you're doing your reverse, you're going to practice this motion of going up and under, up and under, which is different from your forwards. With your forwards, your bottom one is going down and over and up. And that's how you were doing your forwards move, is you're moving the bottom arm. In reverse, you're moving the top arm. And your hitting point, if you're trying to figure out where you're supposed to aim for about here when you're doing that motion. Aim for about here. You want to make your arms touch there. And just get good at doing it like this. And as you get better with it, do the same thing we did before. We're going to slowly move out our arm, change our hitting point. So right now I'm about at my elbows when I bring them together. So now I'm going to hit them halfway up. Okay? And now I'm going to hit it at my wrist. And that is how you do a reverse 3-beat. Hopefully you didn't take too long to learn this. Typically the more poi that you know forwards, the harder it is for you to go backwards. So if you don't take the time to learn it in reverse, you're going to end up regretting it. And I know that from personal experience.